Hi everyone, this is Heather Mahalik with another Tip Tuesday. This week I want to talk a little bit about our cloud features in Physical Analyzer. If you go into cloud, and I've done this before, you can do extractions on private and public cloud data. Make sure you know that you have to have legal authority or consent to do so, and you do need the credentials to extract it. Here we are looking at Snapchat, and you can see that we use credentials to extract Snapchat. And there's a vast amount of information that you can see on the left-hand side that was extracted. Everything from locations of the device to media to things that are uploaded. In order to extract the media the user uploaded to their gallery, such as My Eyes Only artifacts, we can only extract them on specific cases where the needed key is present on the phone. Otherwise, you're going to be shown simply metadata. So if you're looking at images and you only see metadata associated with it, it's because the credentials were not present or the key was not present on that device. When we look at other things, you can get chats as long as they're present and they didn't disappear from the server. So we're getting all of these things that do exist on servers for Snapchat as long as the proper credentials are provided. And as you look through here, you will see as much information as possible. Again, if you're only seeing metadata, it's simply because either it disappeared, or it was no longer stored on that server, or we did not have the key on the associated device. Another thing I recommend is if you do a full cloud extraction and it's not just Snapchat, if you just type Snapchat on the top area, it may limit or filter your search in the Analyze Data view. So try it both ways. If you have any questions, please reach out to us and enjoy. Make sure you're using UFED Cloud.